Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write suffixes, their meanings along with their examples. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. Let's start. Suffixes are one or more letters added to the end of a base word to change its conjugation, word type, or other grammar properties like plurality. In simple words, they are added to the end of a word that changes the meaning of the word or the way it is used. Let's start learning. First one is able, able. It means capable of being. For example, comfortable. Next is full, full. It means or used in places where we mean to full of. Next is less, less. It is used or it means without. For example, for without fear, we use fearless. Next is ment, meant. It means action or process. For example, movement. Next is ness. It means state or quality. For example, the state of being happy is called happiness. Next is tion or sion. Both of these are used for state or action of. For example, action, decision, etc. Next is er or or. It is used for person who performs an action. For example, somebody who teaches is called teacher, somebody who acts is called actor, and so on. Next is ist. It is used for person who practices or believes in something. For example, biologist. Next is able, able. It is used capable of being. For example, reliable. Next is ive. It is used for tending to, or it means tending to, like active. Next is ly. It is used for something in a certain manner. For example, quickly.